Hello, my lovely fans. Look at this lovely vinyl with the most beautiful classical music. Wow. So that is my signature that I signed. When did I sign it? You remember? It was a beautiful afternoon. Birds were singing. The sun was shining. The grass was growing. The flowers were blossoming. So yeah, apply and win this vinyl. And also you will get some lovely presents. Coasters for Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. See you all very soon and Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho! I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New. So guess what? My Christmas album, Deluxe Edition, is out. Check it out because there is 7 new Christmas tracks. Wonderfully arranged for the cello and symphony orchestra. You know, I tried to turn those Christmas songs that you all know and love into classical masterpieces. And get the album and give it to someone for Christmas. This is the best present you can give to anyone. And let's enter the spirit of Christmas, the spirit of Christmas magic together with How's Your Christmas? See you all very soon.